Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change subtitles in DramaWave application. To change the subtitles in DramaWave, first of all, launch the DramaWave app open on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed in. Once you're inside the home page of DramaWave, select the drama you want to watch and start playing the video. Once the video starts playing, tap on the screen once to bring up the video controls menu and go to the bottom and tap on Subtitles. Now, a list of available subtitle language will appear on the screen. Tap the one that you prefer, and that is how you will be able to change the subtitle language for your chosen video in DramaWave. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more DramaWave tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.